If your laptop is super slow, investing $25 for an SSD will breathe new life into it. Not only there will be a 10 times increase in speed and performance, this will boost your laptop's battery life and help it run cooler on your lap too. Watch till the end to avoid making common mistakes people make and how to transfer your data to your new SSD. To install Windows, you'll need to make a bootable USB installation drive. You'll need a USB flash drive that's at least 8 GB in size. I've put a link in the video description which takes you to the Microsoft website where you can select the version of Windows, in this case Windows 10, then under Create Windows 10 Installation Media you can click Download Tool. Now, run the tool and it asks you what you want to do. Choose Create Installation Media. If you're running this on the same laptop, you'll be installing Windows on later, leave tick to the box that says, use the recommended options for this PC. Plug in your USB flash drive and then select it from the drive list. Be careful to select the right one, because everything on it will get wiped. The tool will then download the most up-to-date Windows setup files and set them up on the USB flash drive, ready for use later. Once you've installed your new SSD, it takes a little while and you can still use your computer for other things whilst it completes. The next step now is to remove your current hard drive. Some laptops have special flaps to let you easily access RAM and hard drives, but sadly newer ones tend not to. So you have to take the whole bottom off. This doesn't mean it's impossible, but it does make it slightly more complicated and potentially daunting to open up the whole machine. Comment below and hit the thumbs up if you agree. Laptops should be easier to repair. Luckily this old laptop gives access to its hard drive bay by just removing a couple of screws. Now remove the hard drive cage by sliding it off its connection gently and unscrew the hard drive from the cage to replace it with your new SSD. Reverse the whole process to reassemble your laptop. It is fairly easy to disassemble, but if it's not immediately obvious how to do that, iFixit.com is great for disassembly guides. Just search for your model of laptop. Now grab the USB flash drive you made earlier on, and boot up from that to install Windows. Depending on your laptop and how old it is, you may need to go into the BIOS or UEFI to disable Secure Boot and then go to Legacy and get it to boot off USB first. Follow on-screen directions to install Windows. And once that's done, your laptop is ready to use. If you need to copy data from your old hard drive, buy a hard drive enclosure like this one and connect to your laptop for easy transfer. Like and subscribe for more tech guides.